Hey, girlies! Okay, can we all agree that going back to school is a mix of excitement and pure panic? One minute you're enjoying your holiday, and the next you're wondering where your school bag is, whether your pens still work, and if you're actually ready for a whole new term. If that sounds like you, don't worry, because I've got you. Today we're going through 15 things you need to do before going back to school so you can walk into your first day feeling prepared, organized, and confident, not stressed and scrambling at the last minute. So grab your notebook, grab a snack, or even start getting ready while you watch this, because we're about to get our lives together. Let's get into it. Clean out your backpack. First things first, your backpack. Girl, please don't wait until the night before school starts to unzip your bag and discover old receipts, random papers, broken pens, and snack wrappers from who knows when. Take everything out. Wipe the inside if it needs it. Throw away anything you don't need. Starting with a clean backpack honestly makes you feel like you're starting fresh too. Check your school supplies before buying new ones. I know buying new stationery is fun. Trust me, I get it. But before you spend money, check what you already have. You might still have perfectly good notebooks, rulers, calculators, or pens hiding somewhere. Then you only need to replace what's actually finished or broken. Your wallet will definitely thank you. Make yourself a little emergency kit. This is honestly one of those things you don't realize you need until you need it. Get a small pouch and keep things like tissues, hand sanitizer, wet wipes, lip balm, hair ties, bandages, and menstrual products if you use them. It's tiny, it doesn't take up much space, and one day it's going to save you, or one of your friends. Organize your study space. Now let's talk about where you're actually going to study. It doesn't have to be a Pinterest-perfect desk. It could be one small corner of your room, or even a table in the house. Just make it somewhere that's clean, comfortable, and free from distractions. Trust me, it's so much easier to focus when you're not trying to study in the middle of chaos. Decide on a study routine. Can we make one promise this school year? Let's stop saying, "I'll study later." Later somehow turns into tomorrow, and then suddenly it's exam week. Instead, choose a time that works for you. Maybe it's after dinner. Maybe it's right after school. Whatever works best for your schedule, stick with it as much as you can. Set goals that actually make sense. Instead of saying, "I'm going to get perfect grades," try something more realistic. Maybe your goal is to hand in every assignment on time. Maybe it's studying for 30 minutes each day, or asking one question whenever you don't understand something in class. Little goals might not seem exciting, but they add up to big results. Get yourself a planner or calendar. Girlies, your memory is amazing, until it's not. Write things down. Assignment deadlines, tests, projects, school events. Future you will be so grateful that you did. Fix your sleep schedule. If you've been sleeping at 2 a.m. every night during the holidays, this is your sign. Start sleeping a little earlier each night before school starts. The first week back is hard enough. You don't want to spend every class trying not to fall asleep. Learn better ways to study. This year, let's stop reading the same page 10 times hoping it magically sticks. Try testing yourself. Explain the lesson out loud. Use flashcards. Write summaries. When you actively use the information, you're much more likely to remember it. Prepare your morning routine. Imagine waking up on the first day knowing exactly what you're wearing, what you're eating, and what you're taking to school. No rushing, no panic, no "where are my socks?" Spend a little time planning now, and your mornings will be so much calmer. Check your tech. If you use a phone, tablet, or laptop for school, make sure everything is ready. Update your apps, charge your devices, check your charger. Delete files you don't need anymore. It's a small thing, but it saves you a lot of stress later. Start drinking more water. This sounds random, but hear me out. When you're dehydrated, it's harder to concentrate and stay energized. Keeping a water bottle with you is one of the easiest habits you can build this school year. Don't compare yourself to other people. This one is really important. Some people will seem like they have everything figured out. Others will look like they never struggle. But remember, you only see a small part of someone else's life. Focus on becoming a better version of yourself instead of trying to compete with everyone else. Remember that it's okay to ask for help. You don't have to know everything. If you're confused in class, ask. If you're struggling with an assignment, ask. If you need support, ask. Learning isn't about pretending to be perfect. It's about growing. Walk into the school year believing in yourself. And finally, I want you to remember this. A new school year is exactly that, a new school year. Whatever happened last term, leave it there. This is your chance to grow, learn, make new memories, and become the version of yourself you've been working towards. Don't underestimate what you can achieve when you stay consistent and believe in yourself. All right, girlies, that's my ultimate back-to-school checklist. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these are you definitely doing before school starts? And is there anything you always do to get ready that I didn't mention? Drop your tips in the comments because your advice might help another girly who's watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our growing community of Girlies in Bloom, where we're becoming more confident, organized, and intentional, one step at a time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, girlies!